Okay, Ritika, beta, come here. So, Ritika, today our topic is GK quiz. And we are going to start GK quiz. And I am going to ask some questions from GK and you will give the answer. Okay? So, first question for you. Which lake is called Moon Lake?
Lake Bekal.
Okay, very good. Which is the longest dam of India?
Hirakund Dam.
Very good. Gori, beta, tell me 9th Asian Winter Games 2025 held in which country?
China.
And most medal at Paris Olympic 2024, which country?
USA.
Okay, good. Arish, beta, tell me who is the present Prime Minister of India?
Mr. Narendra Modi.
And who is the present Home Minister of India?
Amit Shah.
Okay. Madhav, beta, tell me if we are living in Jammu Kashmir, so we speak.
My answer is Kashmiri.
Okay. And if we are living in Rajasthan, so which language will we speak?
My answer is Rajasthani.
Okay, very good. Hitiksha, beta, tell me which is the smallest country in Asia?
Maldives.
And how many countries does river Nile flow through?
11.
Okay, very good. Gunjan, tell me full form of AAP.
आम आदमी पार्टी.
Okay. And what is the full form of INC?
इंडिया नेशनल कांग्रेस.
Indian National Congress. Okay, good, go. Manvi, beta, tell me where is the green rose found?
China.
Who was the first woman ruler of India?
Raja Sultan.
Okay, good. Harsh, tell me which planet is known as the morning star?
Venus.
First woman governor of India?
Sarojini Naidu.
Okay, good. Abhas, tell me Gidda is the popular folk dance from which state?
Punjab.
And what is the folk dance of Rajasthan?
Ghumar.
Raghav, beta, tell me which Indian player known as father of Indian hockey?
Major Dhyan Chand.
Very good. And which player known as father of badminton?
Duke.
Okay, very good. Karthik, beta, tell me which is the most populated country in the world?
My answer is India.
Okay. This is the world largest country.
My answer is Russia.
Okay, go. Nakshita, beta, tell me which is the smallest state of India?
Goa.
When do Indian people celebrate Independence Day?
15.
Okay, very good, go. How many strings does a cello have?
4.
Okay, Pradyuman, come here. Pradyuman, which Indian person known as Missile Man of India?
My answer is APJ Abdul Kalam.
Okay, and what is the full form of IPS?
Indian Police Service.
Okay, good, go. Okay, Aradhya, today our topic is GK quiz. And I am going to ask you some GK question and you will give the answer. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your first question is, what is the hardest natural substance of the earth?
My answer is diamond.
And what is the capital of Canada?
My answer is Ottawa.
Okay, go. Chirag, beta, what is the most common element in the universe?
My answer is hydrogen.
And which gas is essential for human respiration?
My answer is oxygen.
Okay, good. Vedita, beta, first woman IPS officer of India.
My answer is Kiran Bedi.
And black city of India?
My answer is Kolkata.
Okay, good. Aditi, which tree gives the most oxygen?
My answer is people.
And which animal has no brain and hurts?
My answer is jellyfish.
Okay, Rakshit, total planets in our solar system?
8 planet.
Aradhya, beta, tell me world first 3D printed train station?
My answer is Japan.
And India's first constitution park developed?
My answer is Pune.
Okay, go. Asjad, beta, tell me which creature tastes with their feet?
My answer is butterfly.
What is the name of the Indian national flag?
My answer is Tiranga.
Tiranga or tricolor? Tasbih, which creature that never sleeps?
My answer is ant.
And which bird has no wings?
My answer is kiwi.
Okay. Ayush, who is known as father of Indian constitution?
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
And what is the old name of Mumbai?
Bombay.
Which is the national bird of India?
Peacock.
What is the height of India Gate?
42 meter.
Okay. Raghu, beta, tell me when do we celebrate Yoga Day?
21 June.
Okay. And tell me the youngest Prime Minister of India?
Rajiv Gandhi.
Okay, Ayaz, tell me India's largest produce wind energies?
Tamil Nadu.
Name the person who took a vow never marry in his life.
My answer is Bhishma.
Okay, Humera. But today our topic is GK quiz, and I am going to ask you some question based on GK, and you will give the answer. Okay. So first question for you: who is known as the father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Who was the first president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Okay, good. Kaka, beta, tell me which star is called Earth satellite?
Moon.
Who was first Indian who traveled in space?
Rakesh Sharma.
Okay, good. Simran, Simran, will you tell me who was the first woman president of India?
Prithiva Patil.
Mrs. Prithiva Devi Singh Patil. And who is known as the missile man of India?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Very good. Kashish, will you tell me where is the Indian Military Academy located?
Dehradun.
Okay. Which day is celebrated as Indian Army Day?
15 January.
Okay, good. Rishabh, tell me which is the India's national game?
Hockey.
Which planet is nearest to the sun?
Mercury.
Okay, Aryan. And what do we call study of animals?
Zoology.
Okay, Arushi, will you tell me which day is celebrated as World Consumer Right Day?
15 March.
And which animal sleeps with one eye open?
Dolphin.
Okay, Lakshit, will you tell me what is the national game of China?
Table tennis.
What is the national game of Cuba?
Baseball.
Okay, Lovely, will you tell me first Indian woman to become Miss Universe?
Susmita Sen.
Which are the smaller than oceans?
Cheese.
Aradhya, bete, tell me the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli.
Silvassa.
What is the full form of INC?
Indian National Congress.
Okay. Piyush, which tree gives that the most number of oxygen?
People.
How many teeth a mosquito have?
47.
Okay. Now once come here. Once tell me which is the world's largest ocean?
Pacific Ocean.
Which is the longest river in the world?
Nile River.
Okay. Okay, Harshita bete come here. Harshita bete tell me where is the green rose found?
My answer is China.
Which country has no temple?
My answer is Saudi Arabia.
Very good. Dipanshu, which is the smallest state in India by area?
My answer is Goa.
What is the national sport of India?
My answer is hockey.
Yog. National tree of India.
My answer is banyan tree.
National flower of India.
My answer is lotus.
Okay, Chahat, bete tell me when do we celebrate World Photography Day?
My answer is 19 August.
Okay. FIDE Chess World Cup 2025 be held in which state of India?
My answer is Goa and India.
Okay. Dev, bete tell me name of the capital of India.
My answer is New Delhi.
Okay. How many continents are there in the world?
My answer is 7.
Okay, go. Divakar, bete tell me which river known as the Ganga tributary?
My answer is Yamuna.
Which monument is in Agra?
My answer is Taj Mahal.
Okay. Who is the first citizen of India?
My answer is President.
Okay. Which team won ICC Champions Trophy 2025?
My answer is India.
Okay. Arush, what is the currency of Japan?
Yen.
Who invented the light bulb?
Thomas Edison.
Okay, good. Aryan, 9th Asia Winter Games held in which country?
My answer is China.
What is the capital of Norway?
My answer is Oslo.
Okay. Vasu, tell me, what is the hardest substance available on earth?
My answer is diamond.
Okay. Ishika bete come here. So Ishika, today our topic is GK quiz and I am going to ask you some GK questions and I hope you will give the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So first question is for you. What is the scientific study of birds known as?
My answer is ornithology.
Very good. And which acid is present in vinegar?
My answer is acetic acid.
Okay, very good. Lavisha, bete tell me which organ of the human body cannot transplanted?
My answer is brain.
Okay. And who built the Jama Masjid of Delhi?
My answer is Shahjahan.
Very good. Namni, tell me where is the green rose found?
My answer is China.
And first female teacher?
My answer is Savitribai Phule.
Okay. Manvi, tell me which animal can sleep for 3 years?
My answer is snail.
Which creature never sleeps?
My answer is ant.
Okay. Kanika, which country known as the Red Dragon?
My answer is China.
And which is the hottest continent in the world?
My answer is Africa.
Okay. Priya, country to host Kho-Kho World Cup 2025?
My answer is India.
And 14th Senior National Hockey Championship is held by?
My answer is Odisha.
Okay. She will tell me in which country is the world largest tortoise found?
My answer is Australia.
Okay. Which country has a double triangle in his flag?
My answer is Nepal.
Okay, very good. Ans, bete come here. Ans, tell me which country has no capital?
My answer is Nauru.
Very good. And which country has no army?
My answer is Andorra.
Okay, good. Lucky, tell me which country has never fight?
My answer is San Marino.
Okay, and which country has no jail?
My answer is Netherlands.
Okay, good. Aksh, Which country has no river?
My answer is Vatican City.
And which country has no railway?
My answer is Bhutan.
Good. Divyanshu. Which country has no mosquito?
My answer is Iceland.
And which country has no trees?
My answer is Greenland.
Okay, very good. Abhi. Which country has no snake?
My answer is New Zealand.
Okay, Shagun. Shagun, tell me what is the temperature of sun surface?
My answer is 6000 degrees Celsius.
Very good. And how many chambers does the human heart have?
My answer is 4.
Okay, good. Tarun. Tarun, who was the winner of ICC T20 World Cup 2024?
My answer is India.
And how many players got Khel Ratna Award 2024?
My answer is 4 player.
Okay. Please come. Gaurav, tell me who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize?
My answer is Marie Curie.